So today is my last day in South Goa. I mean last night in South Goa, and tomorrow I will be taking a train back to Mumbai from here. So I just got back. Again, there is a lot of anxiety because I have a habit of forgetting things, and I am too anxious because I have carried a lot of logging stuff, and those are all precious things and very dear to me. So those are the things due to which I come in front of you guys. I talk to you, I share my thoughts with you, I share my experiences with you. There were three beaches where trekking was included. One was Kakulam, and it was the I I don't know what to say, best or worst, because I was very anxious, and I was full of anxiety. Uh, if you are coming to South Goa, just do not make the mistake of visiting Kakolam beach just some hours before it turns dark. You have to visit Kakolam beach before it gets dark, and not just to visit, but you need to just leave the place before it gets dark, unless and until you are aware of the road, that where are the potholes, where is a sharp turn, and which is an accident prone area. So you need to be very alert and attentive all the time. So make sure that if ever you are visiting South Goa, then you need to make sure that Kabodarama, then Betal Batim, Kola and Kakolim are four places for which you cannot afford visiting when it is getting dark, and this is what has happened to me. So you can just figure out the tan, so you can see the difference here, the back side of my fist. So my god, I am so tanned. I don't know, I need to work on myself to get rid of this tan. It was really sunny, but yes, it is an experience. I am sure everyone needs to get this experience, because this is a learning, and this teaches you how you need to plan your things. And it is not necessary that things should go the way you have planned. Things are already meant to go wrong, usually not meant to go the way you have planned them. You should have a plan B in mind. This was it. I ended my day today at Palolem beach with a nice outfit. If you are liking calm places and you like soft music where you can hear the person sitting beside you, then you will just love Palolem beach. If you are a kind of person who likes loud music, and loud music more rather than hearing the person next to you or opposite to you, then you can prefer Baga maybe. But Anjuna in north and Palolem in south are two places which could interest you if you are a person who likes soft music, peace, calm beaches, soothing vibe. So that's your take. Hi guys, this is my attire, and I am leaving from South Goa. So I have taken a train back to Mumbai, which is from Madgaon, the Vande Bharat. This is my first experience where I will be traveling by train from Goa, and otherwise I have already come to Goa by flight, and I have always departed from Goa also by flight. So this is my first experience by train from Goa to Mumbai, and also my first experience by traveling in Vande Bharat. So I would also like to see how is the service of Vande Bharat, what is the hygiene level in the train, and what facilities are available in the train. So let's head to Madgaon station, and let's board our train Vande Bharat from Madgaon to Mumbai. I'll see you there. So guys, this is the Madgaon railway station. We have reached here. My first train journey ever from Goa. From Madgaon railway station, you can see the trains displayed on the indicator, the further trains following which will be arriving. ये देखो guys, बारिश आई भी तो कब, जब मैं गोवा छोड़ रही हूँ. ये साउथ गोवा की बारिश भी कितनी जालिम है. This is the rate list of the executive lounge that you find on the Madgaon railway station. You can pause the video and check out the rates and different facilities that they provide. and it is quite helpful if you are reaching beforehand, so then you can just rest for a while. This is the executive lounge of the Madgaon railway station. It is a paid executive lounge and a very relaxing one. You can find this very better than the retiral rooms provided by the government. This is a private one. You have cafe inside. You can enjoy some food out here. They have places to keep your bag. This is the washroom. You can see that it is very hygienic. You can just get ready here. This is me showing you the view of Madgaon railway station right from inside the executive lounge. I am just checking that my train will be arriving in some time. Well, I am finally inside the Vande Bharat train now. I wanted to experience this train since quite a while, and it's been a while since this train has begun. There is a good table here to place your stuff and have some food. There is footrest given below. Here you can see you can rest your legs here. There are comfortable seats. This is the AC car chair and not the executive lounge. This is me and I'm taking a seat inside the train now. And it is quite hard to say, but I have to that I am leaving Goa. This is the Madgaon railway station. You can have a look at it. Oh, bye bye Goa. I am still wondering that how come this is the last day so soon, but yes, I have to. Enjoying the views in the train, and after some time I get my lunch, which includes dal, rice, roti, dahi, and my non-veg meal, which includes chicken gravy. So again, after enjoying views for some time, we get snacks, which includes choco pie, samosa, fruity, and a bhel. So this is a quite complete packed meal package on the train, which you get after some breaks. And so Vande Bharat offers a really nice meal. We enjoyed the service, and well, this is definitely not it. We'll be sharing more 3 episodes in the Goa series regarding the budget, itinerary, and places to stay for accommodation. So please subscribe my channel. And hope you have liked all the places, and hope you will definitely subscribe my vlog, because I show you each and everything, guys, how I'm managing. I'm sharing my experiences. Hope you consider my effort. If there is something you want to share, if there's something you want to guide me on, or maybe if there is something you can relate to from my experiences, then please do let me know, because you interacting with me, be it good or bad, it means a lot. I personally read each and every comment, and I do reply my every comment. So please make sure that you do subscribe, like the video, and comment and share your thoughts, and do not forget sharing this video with someone whom you would like to plan a trip to Goa, or maybe someone whom you see could be a travel vlogger, or someone you think that can also manage to travel solo, or maybe someone who also struggled the same way like I am doing right now. And I'll see you soon in the next one, guys. Thank you so much.